This video is brought to you by Numbers with Nicole. We're going to cover area of a circle today. So first thing we need to know is, what is a circle? In regular terms, a circle is a two-dimensional shape made up of points that are equal lengths away from the center. So if I were to draw a segment from the center to any point on the edge of the circle, all those lengths would be the same. They would be equal. So if we were to put all those points together, all of those points form a circle. So the mathematical definition is, a circle is the set of all points equidistant from a fixed point, which we call the center. So there are parts of a circle that we need to understand before we can calculate the area. Two of those parts are radius or diameter, and diameter. So radius is a segment drawn from the center to any point on the circle, just like we did in the image above, right? So the sum of all those points being the same distance away, that same distance being the radius. And plural for radius is radii. So again, we can draw a segment from the center to the edge of the circle, and that would represent our radius. Now, a diameter is a segment passing through the center of the circle, but both endpoints have to be on the circle. So I've passed through the center, my endpoints are on the circle. So a diameter is made up of two radii. Again, I can draw a segment passing through the center with two endpoints on the circle. Now, not all segments drawn in a circle are radii or diameters. So here's another segment that is neither a radius nor a diameter in the circle. So pause the video here, identify all segments that are each type of the following: radii, diameters, other meaning they are not radii or diameter. So hopefully you've paused the video. We're going to identify all segments that are each type of the following. So for radii, we should have AO, OC, and OB. For a diameter, you can have AB, or if you listed the three points in order, AOB. And for other, PQ. PQ does not pass through the center, so it cannot be a radius or a diameter.